So today I'm going to give you idea about navigation or routing in Angular. So let's see what is the meaning of routing and how it works. Routing meaning is when you perform some action, event is generated. As per the event, your screen should be changed. So in this, first of all, I would like to explain you the layout of the page, and then I will show you when you click on the hyperlink or any button, how you are navigating from one screen to other screen. Clear? In Angular, you know, everything is based on single page application. So when you are performing some action here and there, everything is going to be happen at the client side. So in order to render another page, you never make a call to the server. From server, you only exchange the data. Clear? So in Angular, being single page application, your view is only renders once. So if you talk about layout of the page, do you remember people? Already we talked about component, do you remember? Yeah. So this is which page? You know, host page for Angular application is HTML, sorry, index.html page. Am I right? An index.html page host which component? Any guess? People reply. App
App.component.
component HTML. Yes, guys, you reply it so that people should understand we are very smart. Okay, this is app.component.html page, and one screen is designed by 4 files. You know it, right? App
Right.
component, app.component.ts file.
Yes,
This is the
file.
component file. Eventually, it is converted into JavaScript file. So this is external JavaScript file for HTML. So in HTML, you will keep your design regarding your, S screen, and it will contain the corresponding business logic which you apply on the screen. Then there is another file, .css file. This is for look and feel, cascade style sheet, and last one is called spec.ts file. In this file, what you do, you write test cases corresponding the logic which you have in this TypeScript file. I hope I'm making myself clear. Yeah. So
Sir,
one
can you
component
repeat
holds other component.
spec.ts file? What we put in this file? Can you repeat
Yeah,
that
yeah.
again?
In this file, we write test cases. Right, test cases. In Java, when I was teaching you, Spring Boot and all, there already I have talked about JUnit test cases, right? Test cases, this play one of the important role when you write your code. It makes your code robust. You know it, right? So JUnit is one of the important, unit testing is one of the important part of any project development. Clear? So unit test case you can write in Angular, you can write in Node.js, you can write in .NET, you can write in Python, you can write in Java. Anywhere you can write it. Concept is same. Okay.
So
So in
to
this,
fix the bug, we have to use this spec.ts.
yeah, HTML is there. CSS, normally this two file is there. CSS, you can use if you want to apply the particular cascade style sheet on this design. This only we use when you write test cases. In our case, we haven't come across Sabita. So HTML and TS is important for you. HTML, you keep your design, and TS, you write logic which you can apply on this design. Make sense?
Yeah,
So
yes.
in this main component, we have header, right? I can show you. If you open the app.component file, there would be header. App, help me. Header, any guess? Dot component. People, you are not replying. App dot header dot component dot html. Make sense? And if you talk about tag is app header. I hope I'm making myself clear. This is one of the component. Say yes, you are following me. Header
Yes.
component.
Yes, we're
Second
following
component,
you.
we have footer here. Footer. This is not going to change throughout the application. Even your screen is going to change from one to another one. This is remain constant. And then this is called another component, left nav, it. Okay. Yep. Left nav. Make sense? A, only which screen is going to be changed on navigation? Only this portion. If you remember, oh, and if you go and check in the main component, header is there, footer is there, left navigation is there, and this screen is basically for this portion we have a placeholder that is called router. Sorry, router outlet or what? I forget it.
Router
Let me check
outlet.
it. Router outlet. This is the placeholder. You can see it. Oh man, we have table. In this table, we have outer. So this outer outlet is going to point which screen? Any guess? Your answer is depend on the mapping. Are you following me? Oh man, this is the placeholder which you have here. So it is going to point to which screen? Any guess? Nobody knows, right? Hello. This is one screen. You can move it, right? Yep, yep. And this screen will come on the fly. Yes,
Yes.
People reply.
Yes.
This screen will come on the fly. So you can make multiple screen, right? This is the basic layout of my application. Now you can have multiple screen which you can come over here. Say you got my point? Yeah. Placeholder. This is a placeholder. This is placeholder, which were replaced by some other screen. You got it? Chew.
Yes, Nahid.
How? In
By
order to enable routing, we have to use one of the routing module, which is by default enabled at the time of creating the Angular project. Here, if you open app router module, this is the important thing. Here I am creating routes object. Route object is nothing, it's just array of Java script object. And then what you are doing, then after giving this definition, here I'm defining app route module class is a module class. How you can say it is module class? You have to use at the rate of ng module. This is one of the decorator tag. And in this you are saying I want to apply this and export. You are saying it is going to be export as a router module. That's it. My dear friends, so you need to understand this mapping. This mapping decide which on which URL pattern which screen will come. You see Chew, when you type
yeah.
list dog, which component will come? Dog table component. And every class represent one design file. Say yes, I can show you. Hmm? I told you, right? This is a TS file. Yes, or every TS file has one HTML file. Chew. This
Yes.
is type script class. This is TypeScript class, and every TypeScript class is associated with some HTML file. You got it? So when you type list dog, which page will come? Dog table component.
Yeah. Dot
When
table
you click
component.
on add dog component will
Component.
come. When you
Yes.
when you type anything which is not matching any one of them, then add dog components will come. I can show you. Like here, if you type add dog, you see this component is coming. But when you type some other component like list dog, then other component is coming. Oh, Mister, why data is not coming? My server may be down, but I'm telling you, ideally it should show message or not. Hey, your server is down. Please contact to system administrator. Chew that we can make by exception handling, error handling. We can do it. Okay, I'll show you.
Okay.
What message should come ideally? Since data is not here, sorry, contact to system administrator, server may be down. I just started it. After it, you just refresh it. Can you see this? It is coming. You want to here, I want to make another screen to you. Search, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
When you click on it, search. So you have to make one screen for it. Allow me. How? How to make a new screen? ng
NG G C.
generate
GC.
component and search dog. Yep. Search dog, and you can make another screen, right? Edit dog. Mhm. Clear? Done. So two more component is created. My dear friend, when component is created, its entry is done in app module.ts file, chew, automatically. You see, search dog, edit dog. But it is not added inside app routing module. You have to make the entry chew. Let's do that. You know how?
Yes,
And this is
basically
one
that
of the
has.
JavaScript object, comma, second JavaScript object, comma, third JavaScript object, comma, right? All those things. So in this list dog, add dog, you can make another search dog. Oh yeah, you can do only search. So here you can just add that component, the screen which you want to bring over here. Similarly, you can make for edit dog. Hmm? What? Edit dog component. Make sense?
Yes.
Yeah,
For me, I think it like how we do the JSP file and put it
exactly.
in there.
Just
So that's how I understand. So I just
exactly.
think like that. So it's easier
Similar
for
to
me.
that. Similar
Yeah,
to that.
similar.
Your
Yep.
understanding is right. So let's work on search. So we have left navigation in which component here in HTML file. In HTML file, what you can do is you can use
Import
this
over
entry.
here.
You can make it search. Chew. Now
Hmm.
what happened? When you click on the search button, new screen will come. Which screen?
Search screen.
Search screen.
HTML.
So, yeah. Oh my God. So you understand the funda, right? Yep. Search. When you click on the search, it goes to app route module.ts file. And here it is mapped with search
Search
component. This
company.
component will come in the picture and corresponding HTML file will be rendered over there. That's it. Yep.
Yep.
Here, refresh it and click on the search. On this, we don't have anything, right? So let's design this page too. This
Okay.
page we have to design. Here you can make like H3, yeah, H2, whatever. Search. Navigation is clear, right, guys? Yeah. So now you can make it on top, right? This by default it is coming in the middle, but you can make it on top. Okay. So here for search, you can make a division tag. Here you can make a label. Search
Search.
dog. And you can search dog as per the criteria. This is table actually, and in this table, this component is coming inside TD. A. This is going to be replaced on what? App module, right? This part. Here, let's see if you can do some top alignment. I don't know. Top align. Don't have like this. Give me a second. The top. In order to do top alignment, what we have done on layout. Actually, I'm using CSS over here. What man? HTD. Same thing you can use on this also. True. Now thing is, everything will come on top. You see here and there.
Nice.
And search dog. Let's come to the search dog. How? HTML. And here you can do some margin, right? Style margin left. How? Margin left. You can make it like 30 px. Similarly, you can make margin top. It is up to you. 30 px. So benefit is this will This is coming here. That's okay. And top one, you can also make this inside. That's fine. So designing is not your job. Okay, you should not bother about it. Clear? Let's make some. Let's put here some picture. How to pick picture? You know it. Pick, 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 pick. In order to do that, you can use image tag. An image. I'm using static image. You can use dynamic also. Assets. Oh, it's not coming. Dot slash. Suggestion is not coming. What is the name of my static folder here?
Think you have an extra S.
Assets.
Asset.
Okay.
Yeah.
Spelling mistake. It should be ASSE.
You have
No,
Yeah,
triple
you
S.
had 3S.
that's okay now. Okay, but still suggestion is not coming. That's okay. Sometimes come. Assets. Oh, we don't have anything. Oh, bad. Okay, we don't have image folder, right? Okay, that's fine. So which photo we have in this? Photo name is docs
Docs.jpg.
Oh,
docs
JSP.
dot
JPG.
jpg. It's fine. Still it's not showing docs dot jpg. Why it's not showing?
You have to put dot.
It should be src, man. Hello. Last
Oh,
time. Bad. Docs dot jpg. Sure, it's okay. Now it should come. Can you see this? Yep. Here you can just make the height 50 px. Okay. You can have multiple images. Yeah. People, make sense? Makes sense. So done. Now what you can do? Here you can make a label. Search
Okay.
style font size 20 px. And you can make an input field. Right, Chiu? You know
and
how to make a type equals to text and name equals to search. You can give any name to it, right?
Yep.
Yeah. If you want to make it beautiful, you can use Bootstrap plus that is form control. You know it, not a big deal. Form control. Nice. Yes, yes.
And then we need a button too, right?
Yeah, we need a button, go button. So here you can put a beard. How to make button? This is a repetitive job. I'm not doing great job. You know it. So here you can write type equals to button and here go, right?
Class.
And class, you know it. You have to use btn,
BTN.
btn danger primary. Whatever you want to write, you can do it. Nice. Page design is done. Hey, what is the agenda? When you search the dog, right? That content should display below it. That's plan. Hello. Navigation is clear, right? List, add. Anybody have any question, query regarding? Hello.
No.
Navigation is clear, right? So this is all about navigation. So what about search? Chew. For search, when you want to search on the basis of what? You want to search on the basis of name and color. Clear? Two things.
Okay.
So I'm planning to show you, I don't know, I need your help. So you have to do the designing, right? How you want to show it. So you want to show only one record, it is up to you. If you allow to me, I can use this table for one record.
Yes, go ahead, sir.
Chew. I can do that where table is in dog list. Sir, here we have table. Chew. I can
Yes.
copy the table content, right? Whole content. One table. And you can go to the search. Let me know if it's not clear to you. It's clear. Horizontal line and you can. Chew, in this we do not have multiple dog. I'm assuming only one dog is there, right? Or you want to Somebody saying, no, no, no. If multiple comes, display multiple one. Oh, nice. Okay. So you
Yeah.
keep everything as it is. Okay. And once data will come, you can render it. Okay, mister?
Okay.
Yes. Here you can write h2 dog search result. Please, 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 if you think it's not clear to you, let me know.
So can we
My
make
table,
the table data appear after we click the go button?
you can do that. Okay. You can do it. He is saying when result comes, then only table should visible to you. Just put a division tag to you and you division tag. I put it right. In this division tag, you can use one attribute, right?
And this
There is a tag actually, if tag, ng if. So here you can take a variable and variable name is, it is a property, right? What?
property.
Show height. You can add anything, man. If show height, you can take any name, right? If show height value is true, then it will be visible. I can go to the
Okay.
corresponding TS file HU. HU, I want to go to the corresponding because in GUI will be controlled by whom? GUI is controlled by
Yes.
TS file, corresponding component file. So in TS file, I can define a property for this, and that property is called Boolean value. Boolean.
Yep. Boolean true,
This
false.
value Boolean. Initially, you can make the value of it false. Once you make a false, component won't be visible. But you have to define. You are showing this result also, dog, right? So you have to make a array
CW as
of the
well.
dog. Array of the dog. Same thing, man, as you did earlier in listing. How to make array of dogs? Colon
Dogs
dog, my dear dog, and you can make like this.
equal to array.
So you have error is gone. If you click on the search, chew. So you have here you have to add the value, right? And whatever value you are typing it, you want on it. You have to make a variable. What? Search, and it will be type of string. Initially, you can make it blank. Chew.
Mm-hmm.
After it, on this TS file, this you can bind with this text field. Two-way data binding. You can use basket
ng
in banana, right? Here you
Yes.
can write ng model, and here you can write this one. Nice.
search.
Search. Yeah.
ng model and this. So when you type anything, it will go automatically in the search. Now you have to apply on click event. Click. When you click on button, you want to perform
Method.
search dog. Okay. You have to define this method. Where you have to define this method? This method we have to define here. Public method name.
Search dog.
If you here I am not going to return anything from this method, so void. And here you have to search the dog. Clear?
This dot
Like here, whatever value you will type, you can fetch it. But for search dog, we have to make an API call. Chew. I have to go to the server. Chew.
Okay.
In this
How
file.
how do I do that?
Yeah, I'm going to show you.
Okay.
Here, for search operation, you have to make get call. And dog, here you can write search dog. Okay. So you want to search either on the basis of name and color, name or color. So here you want to perform search. For search, what you can do, I need your help. Here, when you do not pass anything, it will fetch all those things. Here, for same, you have to make distinguish between this and this. There is many way to do it, right? So here in query parameter, what we are passing, chew in query
Press
parameters,
body.
request body.
request param. It is coming in the
Request
query
param.
parameter, not JSON data.
Oh,
So
okay.
here, search, right? So you pass it. See, when you make a call, how you'll make the distinguish between this and this, right? For this, we have a technique. Here you can use value, chew. When value is here and people are here, you can write. This is a very important thing I'm discussing. Uh, give me a second. param. Oh, Mr. I'm going to use param, right? In parameter, what I'm expecting?
The name.
Yeah, I'm expecting a name. I'm telling you what name I'm expecting. Parameter, I'm just seeing the syntax, how we can write it. You can write like this, chew. If search is coming as a parameter, then this will be called. If you're not, you are typing just dog, right? Then this will be called. But if you're typing dogs with gate and you are passing search parameter in the query, right, a string, then this will come in the picture. Make sense? Now, chew. Like here, we have, can you help me? Yeah, helping you. I'm just making it the search list. Chew.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, in real life, you will not do like this. In real life, how you will do? You will do from database. Why is crying? Private. Like here, I'm going to search. I'm going to iterate all the dog, chew. All the dog I'm iterating one by one.
Yep.
After it, I will search it. Now, if
Dog.
dog dot get name, why am I confusing?
Equals.
Okay, it's good.
Yeah, I'm doing it. Equal ignore case with my search criteria R. It is matching either with name
Or color.
or color.
Dog dot get color.
Yeah. So in that case, I'll add my data into
For the dogs.
search dog. That's it. So in this, only those dog will come in the picture who is matching the search result and return the search result. I hope this is clear. My API is done, Geo, server side. Next thing, what we need to do, we have to make this call. Chew, can you help me? I have to come to the server side. Especially, we have to go to simple in my service layer. Where my service layer is,
Right
in service layer, already I have done this thing, man. Find dog. Search dog will be similar to find dog. Chew, how? Only difference is in search dog, you are passing a parameter here. Search string, right? That's it. Chew. And here, everything will be same. You know, query parameter here, question mark, and
Yep.
I'm using this query parameter, right? And I'm saying in query parameter, I want to send this chew. You got the idea? You totally got confused.
No, I got the idea. So
Like
we
here, you are bringing all the dog. Here you are saying I want dog, where I'm passing the search result in the query string. So let me tell you, passing search the query string. And already in my mapping, I mention it, right? Please call this API if search comes
there.
as a query string. If search comes as a query string, call this API, otherwise call this API. Ooh, that's cool. Now you can call this method in my search dot. When somebody click on the search button, you want to call this method. This dot, you have to auto wire service layer. Yes, you know? Yeah,
yes in the constructor.
yeah, dog service. All this thing is a repetition actually. Dog service, right? Yep. Dot, you know how to do that. Already we have done it. This is just repetition. Dog service, why is not coming?
Private.
Oh, sorry, I forget it.
Yeah,
You have to
private.
write private, otherwise it won't be visible as a instance variable. That's why option was not coming to me. Now this dot, this and dot, search dot. Here you can pass your search criteria, which you have type in search box. This dot, this. Okay. After that, you can subscribe because it is returning you observable. Are you following me?
Yes.
running your
We
observable
talk about
placeholder, then you have to subscribe it for the result. Subscribe, and you know the when result will come, right? You would say when result will come, assign to this dot the C docs. Yeah. What you are going to assign to it? Result. Done. Mhm. My job is done, right? And this is already, you know, connected with this. So coding is done. Let me give a try. Search dog. Choose list all the dog and just search Jackie. Hmm?
yeah.
Search.
Let's do Jackie.
Here, okay. A, why is not coming? I understand.
Oh, because our
Actually,
table is not
yeah,
true.
show hide.
Yeah.
When you click on the search button, here you have to make that value this dot. You have to make this dot show hide true. You are saying after doing this much, go and show the table.
So every components have the attribute so hide, or we
No, no,
define
no,
it.
no. That is our custom.
Oh, where do we
This
define?
is this. You can define any name to it, right? This is our custom.
Oh, right, right. Okay.
Yeah. Search dog, search it. Still not coming. I don't know. Let's check it, guys. Debug it. I don't know why it's not working. When you click on it, you should know the debugging, right? Because mistake is mistake. Let's see where issue is. You know how to debug any case? Right click, go to the inspect. It is important, and click on the source button. Choo. Click on the sources. After it, you can press Control P button, and after that, you should know the file name, file which you want to search. Which file I want to search?
Search dog.
Search doc component.ts file. I did it. Here you can put a breakpoint. After that, click on it. Mhm. It is not working. Click is not working. There is something wrong with this. How you can do that? Search doc. You can go to the TS file, and here you check it, right? Search doc button, type button, go. Oh, can you see this? I forget
You have to
this.
put semicolon.
My bad luck. Now, when you call it, you see, it's coming here. Happy, happy, right? Hello. Similarly, if you want to open other file, I think it should work, right? Let's try. What we have to type? Jackie. Got it? Yep.
Yep.
Chew.
Yep.
Done. Here another thing is when you are typing on this, right? When you type on this, you want this result should gone. I'm typing already. So you can do it, right? Not a problem. How? Basically, we have to apply some event on it. So input, there is a lot of event. Just a second. Here, right? So A, no need to, you here we do not write on, we write only this much. Chew. When somebody type key up, right? So you want to clear result. So basically what you want to achieve.
When you move a key, then the
Here
word they will
you
clear.
can do one thing. Simply you can do when somebody press key, simply this show hide, you can make it false. Make sense? This is most easiest way of doing. What I did? I said when somebody type on this text field, what you did? Show hide, you just make it false. Chew.
Then it will hide the data table,
If
right?
you don't have any logic, yeah, if you have to just hide one or two variable, you can easily use it. So here you see, search, Jackie, search it. Clear? I said when you type it, can you see this? It's gone.
Nice.
And this is the power of Angular, I'm telling you. It's really nice.
So
Minimal coding.
can we make like if we type JAC and then it it's gonna show the suggestion live.
Yeah, we can do that. We have to make you can make it, right? That is called suggestion component. You can make it, not a big deal. What do you need to do? Hello? We'll do it tomorrow.
Okay.
What we'll do is I can just guide you. So, hey, you can attach some event when you are typing it, right? Attach some event and make a call all the time.
On key up.
Yeah, on Kiev. You have to make a REST call,
Okay.
and bring the result and show like this. Okay.
Oh,
And
so we bring through REST also for that
yeah,
suggestion.
yeah. You can fetch data in one shot at the time of loading the component, and you can filter it at the client side.
Yeah,
Both
I
the
think
way you
client
can do
side
it.
as well. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, it is up to you. Like here in list dog, what we need to do here, we have to put a edit button. Let's try, and we have to edit it. This thing you can learn when you really do yourself. If you're not doing it, you will not learn at all. Because whatever I'm doing, I know already. It's not like I'm thinking and doing it. Nobody can do like this. Okay. So here I have to make a button. Here I'm just making a button. You can make anything, whatever you want to make. Button, and this button is edit button. What is the purpose of having this button?
So we can update the dog.
Yeah. Basically, here we have this action. Purpose is when you click on the edit button, you want to edit it. Clear? So here, oh man, no need to make edit page. You can open this page itself. Add dog page, you can open it. Chew. So edit you can achieve very easily. I'll show you. When you click on the edit button, what you need to do, you can open this add dog page and you can, change the label. So I'm not going to use new page. Chew, I have both the
Okay.
option. For edit, either I can make a new screen or I can use the same screen. But here you see already I make a new screen for it, but I'm not going to use it. Clear?
Okay.
Using existing, this screen is a easy thing. I'm going to delete it. So deleting is not easy, man. If you delete it, you have to be very careful. When you delete this, you have to delete one entry from app module.ts file. Please remember it. Otherwise, you'll be in trouble. Okay. You have to be smart because one entry is there.